This Rotary Cheese Grater has been a total game changer for cooking. It's got hand crank, design your raw cheese or vegetables in the top. Turn on the handle and it grates everything perfectly. Comes with 3 different drum blades for different textures, coarse for soft cheese, medium for hard cheese, and fine for things like chocolate or nuts. This stainless steel construction feels really solid and durable. What I love is how fast it is. You can grate a block of cheese in seconds compared to using a regular box grater. It's got suction feed on the bottom, so it stays locked to the counter while you're cranking. Your hands stay away from the blades, which is way safer than a traditional grater. I use it for cheese on pasta, shredding vegetables for salads, even grates potatoes for hash brown. Cleanup is easy, everything comes apart and runs clean. It's compact and doesn't take up much space. My mom actually gave this to me as a house warming gift, and it's become of those tools I used every time I cook.